So this is what we do when we hang out at home. We sit on the kitchen floor. Is that you? Is that you? Were you playing with the pots? Yeah, is that why we have a pot sitting out here? Can you blow... Gross. Can you blow a kiss to the camera? Go.
Go.
Can you say hi? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Alright, are we going to quit laying around and go do something? Maybe.
Bob.
Alright, say bye.
Bye.